Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OWIN Startup Class Missing, Troubleshooting and Understanding. The OWIN Startup Class Missing error is a common headache for developers working with ASP.NET Web API and SignalR, especially when transitioning to, or upgrading with OWIN, Open Web Interface for .NET. It usually manifests as a runtime error or a build warning like the expected type MyNamespace.Startup was not found. This tutorial will delve into the causes, provide solutions, and offer a deeper understanding of the OWIN pipeline. Understanding the problem asterisk. The OWIN pipeline is the core of how ASP.NET Web API and SignalR are hosted and configured. It decouples the application from the web server, IIS, self-hosting, etc. The startup class is the crucial entry point where you configure the OWIN pipeline, registering middleware, setting up authentication, configuring routing, and more. If the OWIN runtime can't find your startup class, it won't know how to configure the application, resulting in failure. Common causes asterisk. 1. Missing or incorrect startup class asterisk. This is the most frequent cause. You might have asterisk not created a startup class at all. Asterisk created a startup class with the wrong name. Asterisk created a startup class in the wrong namespace. Asterisk mistyped the class name or namespace in the OWIN configuration. 2. Missing or incorrect OWIN NuGet packages asterisk. The necessary OWIN packages might not be installed or might be outdated. This can lead to the OWIN runtime not being